Let's have a look at the prominent news in the defense sector today. The highlights: Kochi firm Smart Engineering and Design Solutions to collaborate with India's 5 fleet support ships. HAL seeks domestic partners to develop refueling probe for Tejas Mark II program. BU Dynamics unveils 2 new loitering munitions. Dixon Technologies joins hands with Dassault Systemes to boost global manufacturing efficiency. Anti-tank guided missile trials done. MDA launches missile defense battle management upgrade with $847 million order to Lockheed Martin. And IAI and Aerotor unveil APUS 25 long range endurance quadcopter. In the war zone, Iran retaliates with drone and missile strikes on Israel, tensions surge. The Kochi-based Smart Engineering and Design Solutions has been chosen by Hindustan Shipyards Limited for design collaboration on India's 5 fleet support ships program. The FSS will have a diesel propulsion system, a single shaft with CPP, and a double bottom and hull construction for additional strength. It is designed to support naval combat missions by providing fuel, ammunition, spare parts, provisions, and personnel. The ships can accommodate multi-role helicopters and use a beam and stern transfer methods for fuel transfer during sea operations. HAL is focusing on self-reliance for the Tejas Mark II program by partnering with Indian private sector companies. The initiative comes to develop a retractable in-flight refueling probe, replacing the fixed probe from Cobham Limited, a British aerospace company. A retractable probe reduces drag, enhancing fuel efficiency and performance, and offers better protection when not in use. The technology is planned to be integrated into the AMCA program, standardizing a domestic solution for future Indian fighter jets. View Dynamics UAVs has introduced 2 new loitering munitions named APJK6C100 and APJK2C40 for long-range reconnaissance and attack missions. The features of the APJK6C100 are the range of 100 kilometers, an endurance of 50 minutes, and can carry a 6 kilogram warhead. Its maximum altitude is 4 kilometers. The capabilities of the APJK2C40 are 40-kilometer range, 30-minute endurance, and a 2 kilogram warhead with the same maximum altitude as the first one. These UAVs enhance View Dynamics loitering munition portfolio, providing versatile options for different military operations. Dixon Technologies India has signed an MOU with Dassault Systemes to boost global manufacturing efficiency. Dixon Technologies India has joined the Dassault Systemes to revamp its manufacturing operations worldwide. The Memorandum of Understanding aims to harness the capabilities of Dassault Systems' digital enterprise lean manufacturing interactive applications, Dell Mia Apriso applications, to enhance efficiency and quality control throughout Dixon's production process. Indian Army has successfully carried out field trials of indigenously developed man-portable and anti-tank guided missile, the ATGM, paving for its induction into the force's armory. The weapon system has been designed and developed by DRDO. The overall system consisted of the ATGM launchers, target acquisition device, and a fire control unit. The warhead flight trials were successfully conducted at the Pokhran Field Firing Range on 13th of April. Some global news. The Missile Defense Agency began its round of battle network upgrades, issuing 3 task orders worth a total of over $846 million to Lockheed Martin for services, software, and other aspects of what the company is calling C2BMC Next. The effort aims to improve MDA's long-standing command control, battle management, and communications network, which first went operational in 2004 by adding new satellite feeds and other sensors, streamlined inter-service data sharing, and even AI logarithms. The Israel Aerospace Industries and Aerotor unmanned systems have joined forces to develop a novel unmanned quadcopter designed for long-range endurance missions. The vehicle incorporates new technology developed by Aerotor that promises greater flight endurance, payload carrying capacity, and maneuverability than comparable unmanned quadcopters on the market. Existing multi-role unmanned aerial vehicles typically have electric motors for each rotor that enable them to independently change their revolutions per minute for maneuvers. The APUS concept, developed by Aerotor, however, introduces a new steering method based on a central heavy fuel internal combustion engine that powers the four blades working at a fixed RPM with a variable pitch rotor system. With a 5 kg payload, it has a flight endurance of 6 hours and a hovering endurance of 5 hours. And with an 8 kg payload, it has a flight endurance of 2 hours and a hovering endurance of 1 hour. Now, some highlight on the war zone. In a dramatic escalation of regional conflict, Iran launched a massive barrage of drones and missiles towards Israel on 13th of April. The attack, dubbed Operation True Promise, was confirmed by Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, who declared it retaliation for an April 1st Israel strike on an Iranian consulate in Syria that killed 7 IRGC members. The IRGC stated that dozens of missiles and drones were launched targeting specific locations within the Israeli territory. This retaliatory strike was prompted by an Israeli assault on an Iranian consulate in Damascus, which claimed the lives of at least 13 individuals, including two prominent figures from Iran's Revolutionary Guards. According to the Israeli Defense Force, the majority of the incoming missiles were successfully intercepted before breaching Israel's borders. However, there are reports of injuries and minor infrastructure damages at a military installation in the southern region. At the same time, the US President authorized the deployment of military aircraft and ships following the Iranian airstrikes against Israel. Further, escalating the diplomatic stakes, the US President revealed plans to convene a meeting with G7 leaders to discuss a unified response to Iran's aggressive actions. He stressed the importance of coordinated international diplomacy and ongoing regional engagement to address the fallout from this confrontation. That's the news for today. We hope you enjoy the news. Please do subscribe to our channel and we will be happy to get a feedback from you. Thank you and have a great week ahead.